Hello there again, guys. Today we are going to do a speculation that somebody in the amazing digital circus has a brother. And I'll give you a hint. It's AI, and he kind of looks like a bee, and it is Kane. Now, here's Kane, you may ask, and you may be, okay, how can a person this evil, well, actually, he looks kind of funny, who tortures people, have a brother and make it related to a video? Well, let me just show you. This is a bee from a poster that a person found at Five Below for the new movie. And I'm speculating that this is Kane's brother because of one image. He basically played out the whole thing. The -10 thing, and then a bee thing, which this might be why he loves bees, and then also a bee that looks incredibly like an AI bee. A bee that looks incredibly like an AI bee. Sorry, wrong bee. But if you see, he has a top hat and a cane, which is very weird, but we know that Kane has the top hat and the cane, right? So I'm also kind of speculating that Kane stole those two things from him. But we still have more to take cover, so let's get into the next part. Okay, now here's Kane. You see, and if you're wondering, okay, how does this mean that he did eat that guy? And how does it even mean that he's a bee? Well, if we go closer to him and then we see his eye color, we can easily see that it's blue and green. And it also looks like that he stole his top hat and stole his cane. And who knows, he maybe even stole his suit too. But let's go back to the eye color. Blue and green, and one's bigger than the other, and we know that from that picture that we saw that he drew, the AI bee had really big eyes, and then the normal bee had pretty normal eyes. So I think we regulated that Kane's real eye color is green.
Can I do to make my adventures more appealing to you?
See, this is exactly what I'm talking.
And if you're wondering why I showed you that part, it's because why would Kane be so obsessed with adventures? And also, why would he show Zooble to be like he wants love for it? Because it's probably when Kane was first made, he got excited to show Kinger, who made him, the bee, because Kinger would give him love for it. Like, let's say your dog does a trick. You give them a treat for it. Basically, that's what Kinger was probably doing to Kane. He would do good stuff like make drawings of bees and also maybe like his brother, but then he would give him a treat for it. But let's get into this other part, which proves that Kane is the bee. Which, if you're wondering why we're back in the episode 8, well, not Kane is the bee. Kane has a bee brother. If you see when the circus is falling apart, not all of it is falling apart. And you know how I said that Kane is so obsessed with his adventures? If Kane's made for the adventures, then what is the bee made for? So Kane is basically made for video games. Is the bee made for the landscapes and AI pictures? Because you see, not the whole circus is falling apart. So I guess that the bee does make the pictures, like the circus and the castles and all that. But that's all I have for today, guys. And I'll see you in the next one when I prove that they can actually escape the circus. And peace.